Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on Instagram. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Instagram on a device and log in. Once you are at the home page, tap the search icon at the bottom and tap the search bar. Type in anything you want to search. Once the search results are shown, you can see that there are 4 tabs. We are in the top tab. Here you will be able to view the top results for the keyword you typed in. Accounts, tags, and places are also included in the top tab. Similarly, in the Account tab, you will be able to find profiles that match your search, and likewise with tags and places as well. And that's how you search on Instagram. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.